Follow the steps on how to change the background and keep the original shadow using Photoshop. Let's start by opening the image. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate. Activate the selection tool and select subject. Make a mask. After that, duplicate this layer again. I named it Shadow. Activate the polygonal lasso tool, then select only around the shadow. Make mask again. Turn off this layer. Next step, click this layer, then use the polygonal lasso tool to create a background. Use solid color as the fill. Duplicate this layer. Click the mask thumbnail and press Ctrl-I to invert. Double-click to change the color. Click the shadow layer, then change it to multiply. Add black and white. Click this. You can choose default or other presets. After that, add levels. Click this icon, then adjust. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.